Today I want to show you how you can use this cooker. This is Globostar. This is for Globostar. So I want to show you how you can use it with a lot of ease. So the first step, you have to make sure your gas cylinder is well connected using this pipe here. You can call it a tubular pipe. It connects the gas cylinder with the cooker. Okay. Now after connecting it, you make sure you have a source of power. You can use a cable, whatever. So initially you can see how it is. It is closed, so I have to open it like this. After opening it, I have my 4 cooking areas. I can cook from here. I cook from here, here, or here. But in this case, this one is using a. It is using a gas. Here I am using gas. Okay, for these three. Then this one uses electricity. Assume maybe your gas got done, you can use electricity or you opt to use it. There is no problem. So what we do here is you come here. It has 6 controls as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you have to observe very well, as I've shown you up, now this one here is indicating that you are using the first source. Then when you can follow these the shaded triangle, the shaded squares. So you can see the shaded square here is indicating this side. Now when you go here, you can see it is right but behind. Then when you can see here, you see it is this side but behind. Then this one in front. So this is how we are going to use it. So the first thing now, after you have reached here, you make sure there is power first. You first put on power. You come here and open your tap. After opening the tap, if you want to use the first one, you turn it anti-clockwise a bit. You first push a bit, push inside a bit, then you rotate anti-clockwise. It means now the gas is coming out. Then you just press here once. You see, now fire starts coming. Now you are free to use this first phase. Or if you want to use the behind one, as I have shown you, you do the same. You push inside the bit and clockwise. You press here once. You can see. So if you don't have power, assume your power is off, or where you stay you don't have power, still you can use it. Meaning now, in case of power combines with a gas to produce fire. But no, in this case you don't have power, you have only gas. Meaning now you have to come here, the same process like this. Now it means the gas is coming, you smell it. So now after it has started coming, you light your matchbox stick and put it there. Okay, meaning if you don't have power, you use a matchbox. So you light a matchbox stick and put it there, and everything is okay. Now you can see these are regulators. You can see this one, meaning here you are in when you want to reduce the amount of heat, make sure it is this way. Then here, as you can see, you are increasing a bit. For all these 3 controls. Now when we go to electricity, assume you want to use electricity, maybe you don't have a gas cylinder, or you have opted to use electricity. So we are using this. I think you can see this. It has numbers also, 1, 2, whatever. So you can reject it from here depending on what you want. Okay. Now, but here it takes time. Here we shall not see fire, but this thing will hit, and it's the one that you use for cooking. Maybe after putting there the saucepan, it hits the saucepan. That's the process. So here we shall not see fire. That's why we are not having these stands. So here we don't expect fire. You just give it time, it heats, but you make sure there is a saucepan or something that you want to cook. I think now I'm done with the the outside part, but we have, you can still use inside, maybe to roast your meat or to bake. You can still use inside. I have my things here. This one will be inside, but I had removed it to clean it. I put it back. I also have this one that looks like a wire mesh. So meaning you can put here your meat, then you push it inside. Okay. After putting it inside, you have to use power again now. For inside, you have to use power. There is no need of a gas. So you come here, you switch on your power. Now, for this case, we are going to use this one for temperature. As you can see, it is showing maximum. Here, the numbers are reducing like that. Then plus this. As you can see how it is indicated here. This very first one, where you see two. If you turn clockwise and you see this one is pointing at two, there is this upper casting. It means now you are using the upper coil, the one that is up, just inside. You will see it with time how you can see. But now after you have put in the power, it turns into red, into brown. Okay. So if you come down like this, it means now you are using the lower coil. It is just here down. Then if you come here, you can see you are using both the upper and the lower. Okay. So those ones who don't know how to bake, you can use this one for baking. Use the lower one, but you can use this one to roast the meat and any other thing that you want to roast. So how do we use here? For here, as you can see now, for example, here I am using my two coils, the upper and the lower one. After putting the electricity, you come here, temperatures, as you can see, you regulate depending on the heat that you want. Then with time, the coils will turn into brown. I may not wait for it to happen, but with time you will observe it. So that's how you can use this cooker for Global Star to make your daily meal. Thank you.